Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have seen super profit method. Now we are about to complete this chapter. Only last method is left, which has two subtypes. None of the method has subtypes, but last method has two subtypes. Till now we have seen average profit method, weighted average profit method, super profit method. Now today the last method is left, that is capitalization profit method. It has two sub methods. But friends, first of all let me say that for finding out the goodwill according to any method, first learn what I am giving in the formula, by heart it, and then speak without looking by yourself, then try to solve the sums. This chapter is easy, I know, but if you are mixing up the methods, then it will be difficult. Super profit method has 6 steps. Now also similar steps, not same steps, similar steps will be there. So don't mix up the methods. Read the name properly and then decide which method is there. Okay, let's go for the last method. We will complete this chapter. So it is fourth method, capitalized profit method. Last method is capitalized profit method. Now it has two subtypes. There are two sub methods for it. Number 1, normal profit capitalization method. Normal profit capitalization method and super profit capitalization method. So from the question you have to decide, with capitalized profit what name is written. Only written capitalized profit method, then it is normal profit. But clearly if they are writing super profit capitalized method, then this method is to be used. Now sometimes with the capitalization method for normal I am telling, they are writing weighted average or average, but they are writing that weighted average or average for taking that average profit. As you know, in yesterday's super profit method also, first step is capital employed, second step is expected rate of return, third step is expected profit, fourth step is either average or weighted average profit. For that, sometimes with the capitalization method, that name is being written, that capitalization of weighted average profit method. So it means that it is normal profit method only, but you have to use you have to use weighted profit for it. And where super profit capitalization method is there, it is just like super profit method only. Only the last step is different for it. Other all steps are same. So now let us write the things for both of them. Okay. Now first of all we are going for normal profit capitalization method. We are writing steps for it. Step number, particulars amount. Okay. First step, name of first step is capital employed, or we can tell it as net assets. Formula we all know. Total assets minus total liabilities. This is the first step. Second step, expected rate of return in percentage, and it will be given. Now third step is not expected profit. Only that thing you must know, that in super profit method, third step is capital employed and expected rate of return. You will have expected profit. You don't have to calculate now expected profit. Instead, leave that step. And what was the next step yesterday? Average profit or weighted average profit. As per previous note I have given that sudden increase or sudden decrease, then we will have weighted average, or if it is increase decrease, then we will have average profit. Fourth step is capitalized profit. This is a new type of profit, capitalized profit. Formula for capitalized profit is average profit or weighted average profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage. In percentage you will divide, otherwise the answer will be wrong, because in book multiply 100 is given, but directly we are not using that 100, directly we divide that percentage only. And last step is goodwill. Normally goodwill is found by multiplying, but capitalized profit it will not find, in capitalization method we will not find by multiplying. Capitalized profit that was found in step 4 minus capital employed, that is in step 1. So you will get it. So friends, little bit different steps is given in normal profit capitalization. Which are the steps? Capital employed or net assets. Formula total assets minus total liabilities. Second step, expected rate of return in percentage, it will be given. See, these two steps are that same only. Third step is not expected profit. We don't need expected profit here. So average or weighted average profit as per the previous rule. No. Then a new type of profit. As expected profit is not there, so super profit also will be not there. So we will have capitalized profit. The thing which we found in previous step, average or weighted average profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage directly. And last step, goodwill is equals to capitalized profit minus capital employed. Now we shall write for the second method. That is super profit capitalization method. Now as I said, this is same as super profit method, only last step is having change. So what is the change? Let us see. So first you need to learn all these formulas. Only after that you solve the sums. Sums are easy to solve, but the thing which is important are steps. If you don't know the steps, you don't know anything. 4 marks we can get easily from it. Okay. Now, for super profit method, the steps which we have done, same 5 steps, only 6th step is different. For super profit method, first step was capital employed, or we call it as net assets, and formula was total assets minus total liabilities. Second step was expected rate of return in percentage, and it will be given. Third step was expected profit. Same steps are here. In super profit method, yesterday's same step we are writing is equals to first and second step. It is based capital employed multiply expected rate of return in percentage. Next, number 4 was average profit or weighted average profit as per previous note. Next step was super profit. Now super profit is equals to average profit or weighted average profit minus expected profit. These 5 steps are same like yesterday's super profit method. The change is only in the 6th step, that is goodwill. Now what was the formula for goodwill in super profit method? Super profit multiply number of years of purchase. And what will be the formula here? Super profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage. Only slight change in the last formula. So super profit capitalization method is just like super profit method. You compare all the steps. Only last step is different. Here in normal profit capitalization method, we don't calculate expected profit and we don't calculate super profit. Instead, we calculate average weighted average profit and we calculate capitalized profit, and then difference of capitalized profit and capital employed is our goodwill here, because it is normal profit. We don't base on super profit, and here it is based on super profit itself. So the last step is only change. Super profit not multiply number of years of purchase but divided by expected rate of return. Only this thing you have to remember. So this is the last method, capitalized profit method. It has 2 sub methods. Formulas we have written. Now 2 sums are there. One is 10 sum is of normal profit and 11 sum is of super. Then we will complete. Most of the students are still in statistics chapter number 2. Friends, today we are completing this chapter and tomorrow we are starting 3rd chapter of statistics. So be very fast, otherwise you will not cope up with me. And if in between by chance school is opening, then I am going nextly towards next chapter. I will not repeat this. First I will complete the course. So if you are not doing the work on time, then it is dependent on you. Okay, not dependent on me or not dependent on school. So be quick. And if you are not writing, it's your fault. Okay. So let's go on page number 106, 10 sum we have. From the following information of Nairutwa and Ludwig's firm, determine value of goodwill of partnership firm on basis of what? Capitalization of weighted average profit method. How you will understand that it is normal profit capitalized? Because capitalization word is given on basis of weighted average, means you have to use that average or weighted average, you have to use their weighted average profit, and no word is written with capitalization. So it is normal profit capitalization. Clearly normal profit capitalization word will not be given, simply capitalization of profit will be given. And if you are reading question number 11, then determine the value of goodwill of Prabha and Prabhu's firm on the basis of capitalization super profit method. Clearly they are writing the name. So underline in question number 10 capitalization of, only that much you underline. And underline in question number 11 capitalization super profit method. From that you will get. So now we are going for 10 sum. Yes, or additional information is given. See, if they are telling that weighted average profit is used, then you check the trend of profit. 45, 50, 65, 75, 90, it is continuously increasing. In yesterday question it was continuously decreasing. So when it is continuously decreasing or continuously increasing, compulsorily weighted average profit method is used. Sometimes in question weighted average, if they are not writing, then we also need to understand. Business assets, business liabilities and normal rate of return is given. Let's draw the format. So we are going with question number 10. Step number particulars amount. Okay, let's start the sum. First step, capital employed is equals to total assets minus total liabilities. Assets are of 6 lakhs, liabilities is of 1,70,000, so it will be 4,30,000. Second step is expected rate of return in percentage. It is 10%. Third step, average or weighted average. Don't write expected because it is normal profit capitalization. So here clearly it is mentioned in the question only. So weighted average profit. For that, here profit weight weighted profit 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 45,000, 50,000, 65,000, 75,000 and 90,000. First, let me draw the column. Okay. Total weight total weighted profit. Now let's give the weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's multiply. 45,000 into 1 is 45,000. 50,000 into 2 is 1 lakhs. 65,000 into 3 is, I think, 1,95,000. 65,000 into 3, yes it is 1,95,000. 75,000 into 4 is 3 lakhs. 90,000 into 5 is 4,50,000. Total of weight is 15. 45,000, 1 lakhs, 1,95,000, 3 lakhs, 4,50,000. It is 10,90,000. So, weighted average profit is equals to total weighted profit divided by total weight. So
10,90,000 upon 15, it is 72,666.67. Okay, now the fourth step is capitalized profit. Fourth step is capitalized profit. So it will be weighted average profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage. So it should be 72,666.67 divided by 10%. So 72,666.67 divide 10 and percentage. So 1 point will move here. So what it will be? 7,26,666.7. How? When we have to divide by percentage, 1 point will move here. So 72,666.67 divided by 10 and press percentage button. So it will be 7,26,666.7. Okay? Yeah. Last step is goodwill. Now goodwill is equals to capitalized profit minus capital employed. So 7,26,666.7 minus 4,30,000. So 7,26,666.7 minus 4,30,000. It is 2,96,666.7. Okay, so again I will repeat. It is normal profit capitalization method, friends. First step is capital employed. Total assets minus total liabilities. 6 lakhs minus 1,70,000, it is 4,30,000. Second step is expected rate of return in percentage, and it is given 10%. Third step is a choice, average profit or weighted average profit, but clearly in the question they are telling of weighted average profit, otherwise we can see the trend of profit. 45, 50, 65, 75, 90, it is continuously increasing. So for weighted average profit, first we need the table, then we need the formula, and finally we have this. After that, capitalized profit, weighted average profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage. So 72,666.67 divided by 10 and press percentage button, otherwise you will not get this thing, because in book multiply 100 is given. Now we don't require multiply 100, we have to press the percentage button, so directly we will get 1 point will move here. So 7,26,666.7. Last step is goodwill. Goodwill is capitalized profit from step 4 and capital employed minus step 1. So 7,26,666.7 minus 4,30,000, 2,96,666.7. In book sometimes they are rounding off. See, from here itself they are rounding. 72,666.666 is there. So directly they are writing 72,000. In book sometimes they are writing like this, 72,667. That is also possible. So only slight change will come in the last answer, but we don't require that thing. We have what we have. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now we are going for the last sum of this chapter. After that chapter is completed. So question number 8. So let me draw it. Step number particulars. Great practice is required at home. This chapter is very easy, but if you are not remembering the formulas which is to be used where, then it is big problem. Okay, so going for the last 11th sum. Determine the value of goodwill of Prabha and Prabhu's from on the basis of capitalization super profit. Here only they are telling capitalized method means it is normal method. They are telling okay, weighted average profit to use here. Now here specially they are telling to use capitalization super profit method.
See, super profit method and capitalized super profit method has only one change, last step, that is goodwill. So by mistake, if you are doing that super profit method also, then also it is okay, your last step is only wrong. But read, if in question years are not mentioned and directly they are telling capitalized method, capitalization super profit method, then last step is super profit divided by expected rate of return. And if it is normal super profit method like yesterday, so super profit into number of years of purchase. Slight change in last, otherwise simple. Okay. So capital employed is given directly, expected rate of return is given, last 5 years profit. Now first we will do the profit, how it is. 1 lakh, then increase 140, then decrease 130, then increase 150, then increase 150. So increase decrease is there. So weighted average profit is not possible, we will use that average profit. Let's start. Number 1. We will not underline this capital employed as it is given, nor we use the formula. So capital employed and in bracket we will clear it is given 9 lakhs. Second step. Expected rate of return in percentage, it is 12%. Third step, expected profit is equals to capital employed multiply expected rate of return in percentage. So 9 lakhs multiply 12%. 9 lakhs multiply 12%, it is 1,08,000. Fourth step is decided average profit, as profit is increasing decreasing. So the formula is total profit of given years divided by number of years. So 1 lakhs plus 140 plus 130 plus 150 plus 180 divided by 5. So first let's take the total. 1 lakh, 140, 130, 150, 180. So it is 7 lakhs divided by 5. It is 1,40,000. Number 5. Super profit. So super profit is equals to, we have used average profit minus expected profit. So 1,40,000 minus 1,08,000. It will be 32,000. Last step is goodwill. Now see, till here there is no change in super profit method and super profit capitalization. Only the last step is different. In super profit method, last step is super profit into number of years of purchase. And in super profit capitalization method, last step is super profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage. So 32,000 divided by 12 in percentage. So 32,000 divided by 12 and press percentage button. So it is 2,66,666.67. If it is not visible, I will write it again. 2,66,666
Okay, 0.67. So all the methods are completed and the chapter is complete. Let me repeat all the formulas again. Our first method was average profit method. For calculating goodwill with average profit method, there are two steps. First step is average profit, and the formula for average profit is average profit divided by total profit of years divided by number of years. Second step is goodwill. Goodwill is equals to average profit multiply number of years of purchase. Okay. Then next second method was weighted average profit method. Now in that we had three formulas to calculate goodwill. First step was to draw the table with columns like year, profit, weight and weighted profit. Second step was weighted average profit, and the formula for weighted average profit is total weighted profit divided by total weight. Third step is goodwill. Goodwill is equals to weighted average profit multiply number of years of purchase. So that is weighted average profit method. Now the third method is super profit method, which we have seen yesterday. Now what I am speaking, compare with here, only last step is changed. First step for super profit method is capital employed or net assets. Formula is total assets minus total liabilities. Second step is expected rate of return in percentage, it will be given. Third step is expected profit, and the formula for expected profit is capital employed into expected rate of return in percentage. Fourth step is a option, average profit or weighted average profit. When the profit is increasing, decreasing, then average profit, and the profit is continuously increase or continuously decrease, then weighted average profit. Okay. Fifth step is super profit. Super profit is average profit or weighted average profit, which we have calculated earlier, minus expected profit. Till here the steps are same. Last step in super profit method is goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. That was third method, super profit method. Fourth method is this capitalization profit method. In that there are two subtypes, normal profit capitalization method, super profit capitalization method. So when only given capitalization of profit method or capitalization of average profit or capitalization of normal profit, so this method is used. There are 5 steps. First step is capital employed, total assets minus total liabilities. Second step, expected rate of return in percentage, it will be given. Now third step is not expected profit. Third step is directly average or weighted average profit as per the rule. Fourth step is capitalized profit. Formula is average or weighted average profit calculated in previous step divided by expected rate of return in percentage. Fifth step is goodwill. Fifth step, goodwill is equals to capitalized profit, that is for step 4, minus capital employed for step 1. This is here. Last method is capitalization of super profit method. Formulas are 5 steps are same, 6th step is different. First step is capital employed, total assets minus total liabilities. Second step is expected rate of return in percentage given. Third step is expected profit, that is capital employed into expected rate of return in percentage. Fourth step is a option, average or weighted average profit as per the rule. Fifth step is super profit. Super profit is equals to average or weighted average profit minus expected profit, and the last step is only change. Goodwill is equals to super profit, not multiply number of years of purchase. Instead, divide by expected rate of return in percentage. So this is about last method. We have completed the chapter today. Most of you are still in second chapter of accounts also, and someone will be in second chapter of statistics. See, do friends as you want. I don't have any problem. I am teaching by myself. I expect that each and everyone also cope up with me, but still none of you can cooperate with me. The things which I am giving daily, next day homework should be completed. None of the student is doing like that. You will complete whole the chapter and send it in one time. It's up to you. It's up to you, totally up to you. And especially I would like to say in final accounts. After completing the whole video, my whole things will be written. My calculation only not written, and last calculation which I am writing only you are writing that. All the calculation, all of you, most of you, 90% students, only 10% are writing it correctly. Watching me again and again and trying.
to complete the sum, but not all. See, those who are doing in proper way, they will get good percentage, and those who are not doing in proper way, they will definitely not get good percentage. Still someone will be there who have not completed first chapter of statistics. I can say it perfectly. After first chapter of statistics, we have done first chapter of account, then second chapter of account, then second chapter of statistics, then third chapter of account, and now after this third chapter of account, third chapter of statistics we are doing. Again I am saying that I will not repeat any of this thing. I will just say watch my video. I will not do anything. School also will not be responsible. It's up to you what you are doing. So if you have still not done the work, do it today. Watch the videos. Everything is in our channel only. The video which I am sending, the link I will send daily, I am sending in the evening. Okay. So you are, whenever you are watching the video, channel name is written Uma Vidyalaya Nakhatrana. Open that channel. Someone of you don't know the spelling of our school, so you can find our video on our YouTube. Directly, some of you are not finding that. No problem with that. Open that channel, go to video section, not home section. There will be 5 sections. Open on video section, all of my video with the code will be given. 12th EM lecture, 11th EM lecture and number lecture is given. Accounts or stats, that thing also is given. Watch it, do the work properly. I will not repeat any of the thing. These things are done and done. In the revision we will see if you want to do or not. So whenever opening the school, if your work is incomplete, then it is dependent on you, and if your parents are telling that our student is not able to learn, then it's your problem, it's your fault. And only not I am saying, this school also will say the same thing, management also will say the same thing. So if you are still not aware of the works, it's your fault, it's not my fault, because my work is little bit different from other teachers. My video is daily uploaded and you can watch it any of the time as per your time. So you have to not keep any time and watch. You watch whenever you want, you do whenever you want homework. That is the main benefit of my lecture. But you are not using that benefit. That is the big problem. So last time I am telling, this chapter is completed and I want it. If you are still not doing, I will, when the school directly start when I have left in the video. I will not do anything, because I think today will be the 49th or 48th lecture. Do what you want. It's up to you. Okay? That's all. Thank you.